Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Native Body Lotion is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in our daily self-care routines, and finding the right one can truly transform your skin from dry and uncomfortable to soft, hydrated, and glowing. In a market flooded with options, we're here to cut through the noise and help you discover the Native Body Lotion that perfectly suits your needs, ensuring your skin receives the nourishment it deserves with every application. Number 5. Native Deodorant Coconut and Vanilla 2.65 ounces. Experience the power of nature with our deodorant, formulated with ingredients derived from natural sources. It's a choice you can feel good about. Stay fresh all day and night. This deodorant provides effective odor protection for up to 72 hours, keeping you confident. Designed for both women and men, this deodorant offers reliable protection for everyone. Enjoy its gentle yet effective formula. Breathe easy with our aluminum-free formula. We believe in providing effective odor control without the use of aluminum. Indulge your senses with the delightful scent of coconut and vanilla. It's a tropical escape that keeps you smelling great. Enjoy long-lasting freshness throughout your day. This deodorant is your perfect companion for any activity. What we like. This one offers robust 72-hour odor control using naturally derived ingredients. It's aluminum-free, making it a great choice for those seeking a cleaner deodorant option. If you prioritize long-lasting freshness without harsh chemicals, this is for you. What people say. This lotion is very moisturizing and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I love the scent of this lotion, it's light and refreshing. The lotion absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. Number 4. Hempz Fresh Coconut and Watermelon Body Lotion. Experience the ultimate hydration with our daily moisturizing cream. Its rich formula nourishes your skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Transport yourself to paradise with the refreshing scent of fresh coconut and watermelon. It's a delightful treat for your senses. Enriched with shea butter and hemp seed oil, this lotion provides deep nourishment. It helps to replenish and revitalize your skin. Make it a part of your daily skincare routine. This large-sized moisturizer ensures you have plenty of this luxurious cream on hand. Achieve healthy, radiant skin with consistent use. It's the perfect addition to your self-care regimen. What we like. Infused with hemp seed oil and shea butter, this lotion provides daily, deep moisturization. Its generous size means you won't run out quickly. If you're looking for an everyday moisturizer that nourishes your skin and offers great value, this is an excellent pick. What people say. This lotion is very moisturizing and leaves skin feeling soft and smooth. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. The scent is light and pleasant, not overpowering. Number 3. La Roche-Posay Lipikar AP+Max Triple Repair Moisturizing Body Cream. Discover the ultimate solution for dry, irritated skin. This rich cream provides deep hydration and helps restore your skin's natural barrier. Experience a triple action formula designed to soothe and nourish. It effectively moisturizes and supports the skin's protective layer. Infused with shea butter and niacinamide, it works to replenish lost moisture. These key ingredients help calm and comfort your skin. This versatile lotion is perfect for both your face and body. Enjoy lasting comfort and a smoother skin texture all over. Help your skin defend itself against dryness and environmental stressors. It strengthens the skin barrier for healthier looking skin. Enjoy continuous hydration that lasts. This cream provides relief and prevents dryness from returning, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. What we like. This cream is specifically formulated for very dry skin, offering triple repair benefits. It contains niacinamide and shea butter to help moisturize and support the skin barrier. If you struggle with persistent dryness or have a compromised skin barrier, this is the intensive treatment you need. What people say. This lotion is very moisturizing and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I love the scent of this lotion, it's light and refreshing. The lotion absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. Number 2. Lady Parts Whole Body Deodorant Lotion. Introducing Lady Parts Whole Body Deodorant Lotion, your new go-to for all-day freshness. This unique formula is designed to keep you feeling confident and comfortable. Experience the silky smooth feel of our powder lotion, perfect for your most sensitive areas and your entire body. It effectively combats odor and reduces friction. Say goodbye to embarrassing odors and uncomfortable chafing. This lotion provides reliable protection, allowing you to move through your day with ease. We care about what goes on your skin. That's why our formula is completely aluminum-free, offering a gentle yet effective solution for odor control. Enjoy the subtle and inviting scent of coconut and vanilla. It leaves you smelling fresh and feeling great throughout the day. This is an essential part of your daily feminine care routine. Its convenient 4-ounce tube makes it easy to use at home or on the go. What we like. Designed as a whole-body deodorant lotion, this product tackles both odor and friction. Its unique powder lotion formula is great for sensitive areas. If you need a multi-purpose solution for odor and chafing, especially for daily feminine care, this is a convenient option. What people say. This lotion is very moisturizing and leaves skin feeling soft and smooth. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. The scent is light and pleasant, not overpowering. Number 1. La Roche-Posay Lipikar Moisturizing Body Lotion. Discover the ultimate relief for your dry skin. This lotion provides deep, lasting moisture to soothe and comfort. Enjoy a gentle, fragrance-free experience. It's perfect for sensitive skin that needs a tender touch. Infused with nourishing shea butter, it replenishes your skin's natural barrier. Feel the difference as it softens and smooths. This daily moisturizer actively works to repair and restore your skin's health. Say goodbye to discomfort and irritation. Specially formulated for sensitive skin, it calms and protects. Experience a healthier, more radiant complexion. Make it a part of your daily routine for consistently soft and supple skin. It's the perfect everyday solution. What we like. This fragrance-free lotion is ideal for sensitive skin, providing daily moisture and repair for dryness. It effectively soothes and restores. If you have easily irritated skin or prefer unscented products, this gentle yet effective moisturizer is a perfect fit for your routine. What people say. This lotion is very moisturizing and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I love the scent of this lotion, it's light and refreshing. The lotion absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.